Hello children, today in English Literature, Chapter 3, Book Exercise, page number 52. We'll do this. Today here we'll learn about suffix and prefix. First of all, we'll read these lines from the chapter, The Adventures of Raghu. They give off a small and smoke and all I do is cough non-stop. Non-stop. Non-stop is bold word. The words non-stop and overturns are made by adding the prefixes non and over. So non, non and over. Over. Both these are known as suffixes. Now what is suffixes? Some alphabets which we use before any word or after any word. They are known as prefixes and suffixes. Okay. Now, the words non-stop and overturn are made by adding the prefixes. Non and over are prefixes. Now, look at the table to find out more about some prefixes and their meanings. First is non, over and under. Non means not. Over means excessively or completely. Under means below, beneath, hidden. And these words are made using prefixes like non plus profit, non plus fiction, non plus resistance, over plus look, over plus do, over plus ambitious, under plus cover, under plus nourished, under plus fed. After adding prefix, we write these words together. Now, talk about suffixes. Raghu plays with the baby laughs in happiness. Happy plus HAPPY. Happy plus ness equals happiness. Woman, how on the earth I can pay for you your kindness. Kind plus ness equals kindness. Here is the suffix is NESS, ness. Now, and these are the suffixes ness, ship and less. You have to learn these suffixes and prefixes with the meaning and examples also. Now come on page number 53. On page number 53, in exercise number 1, you have to make two sentences of this table. You have to make two words, not sentences, using prefixes and suffixes also, like under, underestimate and undercover. Ness. For ness you can use fairness and fitness. Like these, all the words you have to make with every prefix and suffix two words. Okay. Now come on exercise number 2. Complete these sentences using the words given in the box, adding suitable prefixes or suffixes. Here are some words. You have to add prefix or suffix, and in the blank you have to write the appropriate word. Like I have an old useless. You will write here useless sewing machine. B, after overcoming many dash. In dash you will write hardships. You will write here the suffix ship, hardship. C, he won a sports dash. Here you will write scholarship during his college days. Next, D, the dog looked underfed. Here is fed, you will write underfed. Underfed and malnourished. E, it seemed like he had spent a dash night worrying about the results. So you will write here sleepless. Next, F, you should never dash your opponent. Underestimate. You will write here underestimate. Next, this movie is about the life of a cover. You will write undercover agent. Next, I have applied for a permanent member. You will add ship, membership of the Central Library. Now, here is exercise number 3. Separate the prefix or suffix from these words and sort them. One has been done for you. Here is a table, and in this table, some words with suffix and prefixes. You have to write that which word has prefix and which word has suffix. Like here is an example: honest, dishonest. So this is the prefix and honest is the word. In this way, undercover, if we talk about undercover, so under is a prefix and cover is a word. Kindness, kind is a word and ness is a suffix. Wonderful, wonder is a word and full is a suffix. This work you have to do in your notebook also. This one, only this one exercise you will do in your notebook. You can see. First of all, you will write the prefix and suffix, and then you will do this exercise in your English language notebook like this. Okay.